I'm Saurabh, product manager at CIM. Welcome to Peak's Performance Dashboard, an all in one tool for understanding and benchmarking your building's performance. This is your tool for checking and comparing your building portfolio. It helps you find areas of improvement, showcase high performing building, and compare with all buildings on Peak. This feature focuses on four key metrics that increase efficiency and tenant comfort. They are electricity, activity, comfort, and equipment. First up, electricity. And you can track your current electricity use by comparing it to the same time last year. The default setting shows percentage change over the past 3 months based on the electrical meters that you care about. But you can change this to suit your need. Then there's activity. This matrix provides visibility on actions taken by your site team. It records both updates and completed actions, giving you a snapshot on how your team is progressing. Moving on to comfort, we know tenant satisfaction is crucial, and our dashboard uses simple indicator, ranking, and percentage score to show how comfortable your building is. Compare each building's comfort score and rating against other building on your portfolio. The comfort score ranges from excellent to poor, benchmarked across all buildings on the platform. And lastly, equipment performance. This feature assesses how well your building equipment and system are functioning. Like comfort score, it uses simple indicator, ranking, and percentages to gauge efficiency. You can compare your building's equipment uptime percent score and rating against other buildings on the portfolio. For example, if you want to use find out what is the which building is performing poorly, if you click on electricity, it reverse sorts the electricity and gives you the worst performing building. Similar thing can be applied to activity, comfort, and equipment. So whether you're keeping an eye on your electricity use, checking comfort level, or monitoring your team's activity, this dashboard provides value to the entire property team. Thank you.